Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're running a WooCommerce store that sells digital or virtual products, you probably know how annoying it is to manually mark every order as completed. Customers want instant access, and you want to save time. In this video, I'll show you a free and simple way to automatically complete orders right after successful payment. No settings, no coding. Just install and activate. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins. Click Add New. In the search bar, type ShieldClimb. Look for the plugin with a purple square logo and a robot icon. Click Install now. Then click Activate. That's it. Now, every order that only contains downloadable or virtual products will be instantly marked as completed after payment, whether it's through PayPal, Stripe, or even ShieldClimb's own payment gateways. Customers get their downloads right away, and you don't have to lift a finger. There's no settings page to configure. It just works. A fast, free way to streamline your WooCommerce order flow and make your store more user-friendly. We also offer other free plugins, including a card payment gateway with instant approval and payouts, and a crypto gateway with no redirects. Click the video on the right to learn more. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more free WordPress and WooCommerce plugins at ShieldClimb.com. See you in the next one.